Our hospitals are overcrowded, clinics overcrowded, everywhere overcrowded. Our people are not employed. Our children are dying on drugs. We are not supporting the government of the day. We are supporting our people here because we understand the struggle of our people on the ground. The most important purpose of the day is to make our voice heard by the president and the government of the day. Yebo ke ba.
Siyaphila baba. Ngicela ukuthi usitshele ukuthi ungubani as a man of God. What brings you here?
My name is Archbishop Dr. Eldin Khadima. I'm coming from the movement called MKIRM. I'm here in this march as it was announced in order to make sure that things are going smooth. We are the Church of South Africa, and we want to make sure that the government of the day listens to our people. It's been a very long time that the nation was mourning about what is happening on the ground, but we saw that our president never came, and we are very much disappointed as a Church of South Africa that why the president cannot come to his own children and listen to them. Instead, he was preparing the attack to attack his own. We want to ask him very nice, humbly so, Mr. President Ramaphosa, this country is, we are all your children. These people are belonging to you. You must always stand with our people because it's not right what is happening. Our hospitals are overcrowded, clinics overcrowded, everywhere overcrowded. Our people are not employed. Our children are dying on drugs, and yet you remain silent. We are not appreciating that. Our forerunner, Archbishop Tutu, has left us with this word. In the midst of the challenges and unfairness like this, we cannot afford to remain neutral. We must stand with the oppressed, because when you are remaining neutral, it means you are supporting the oppressed. We are not supposed supporting the government of the day. We are supporting our people here because we understand the struggle of our people on the ground. We are representing the Church of South Africa, and we know what the people are going through. So we understand everything that they are facing. That is why we are here, in order to make sure that the march goes in a proper way. No looting, no damage of property, no killing, no spilling of the blood. The most important purpose of the day is to make our voice heard by the president and the government of the day. GNU has never served us. GNU has brought a lot of the challenges to our nation. That is why our children are dying like this, and the president remain quiet. Our people are not employed, and the president remain quiet. And there is a crime all over. President remain quiet. So I want to say this word in the book of Matthew, chapter 9, verse 36, when Jesus was walking among the villages and he saw the people, roaming around without a shepherd. We feel that South Africa doesn't have a shepherd. In this time, as we can see, that the people are trying to help themselves and helping even the police. It means we are not having a shepherd. So we came in here as the shepherds in order to make sure that our sheep are protected. We are here to usher God in the space, and we are here to make sure that everything goes according to the plan. Thank you so much.
Siyabonga kakhulu, man of God. Thank you very much. Nivile ke babukela emakhaya ukuthi the man of God uthini lana, so ukhulumela nje i-body of Christ or i-Christianity yonke at large, and he's a member of South Africa futhi unelungelo lokukhuluma futhi naye. So siyaqhubeka sibutala abanye ke. Stay tuned, I'll be updating you. Siyabonga kakhulu Mgcotshe.